So hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about how you can restart and shut down your Linux PC, any Linux, Ubuntu or Fedora, Debian, Diet Py, Arch Linux, anything using terminal. So yeah, let's move to our video. First I will show you how to reboot the PC. To reboot the PC you have to simply open the terminal. It is asking for root permission. I will grant it. Oh, it is not my internet connected, so it is showing like this. So I will do. So now to reboot the PC you have to type the command sudo reboot. It will reboot your PC. Yo, hacker vibes, that's cool. So now I am in my desktop and I will show you now how to shut down your PC. For that you have to open the terminal. It will ask for root, exit, cancel, and to shut down the PC you have to type command. It is a very simple command. I think you have guessed it. It is sudo shutdown. So hope you have understood how to restart and shut down the PC. Yeah, that's the video. I know this is because lack of content.